Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare canned crab meat. First, it's essential to drain all the liquid from the can. This step removes excess moisture and any briny taste. Next, gently spread the crab meat out and carefully pick through it. Look for and remove any small pieces of shell or cartilage that might be present. This ensures a pleasant eating experience and a clean flavor profile for your dish. Once your crab meat is clean, it's time to enhance its flavor. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonders, adding a bright, zesty note that complements the sweetness of the crab. For a richer taste, consider mixing in about 1 tablespoon of good quality mayonnaise. Alternatively, a dash of Old Bay seasoning can provide a classic, savory kick. These simple additions truly elevate the experience. Canned crab meat is incredibly versatile for quick meals. For a classic, mix it with finely diced celery, a bit of mayonnaise, and fresh dill to make a delightful crab salad sandwich. Another fantastic option is to serve it chilled over a bed of crisp, fresh greens. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette for a refreshing and healthy lunch or a sophisticated appetizer. It's simple, yet so satisfying. Beyond cold preparations, canned crab meat shines in cooked dishes too. It's perfect for making delicious crab cakes, adding a luxurious touch to a creamy pasta sauce, or even stirring into a flavorful omelet. Remember, crab meat is already cooked, so when incorporating it into hot dishes, gently heat it through. Overcooking can make it tough and diminish its delicate flavor, so keep the heat low and brief.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.